So all you boys that watched the berry video, and I said, just wait, it's coming. It's here.
Well, we are shifting away from the Apache for a brief sec because my husband here has gotten major FOMO and now wants to do a swap and bury our Squarebody.
Which was what was supposed to happen all along instead of building an Apache.
But yeah, so he's starting to get the itch. Like I said, major FOMO. I think he's just jealous, honestly.
Now you're about to get jealous.
So anyway, we did find a motor online that we're gonna go look at today, and we brought Josh with us because he knows what he's looking at and make sure that you know, it's salvageable.
And he's here for moral support.
And he's here for moral support. All right, Josh. So what are the things you want to look for when you go buy a used motor?
We're gonna cheat pretty well. Make sure it spins over, where it's not locked up or not chains broke or something's very, very bad wrong. I actually have a bore scope that runs off my cell phone that we're gonna pull the spark plugs, look down, make sure that it hasn't been rained on and full of water or rusted out, or there's a piston with a hole in it, and that would be bad. But that's pretty much it.
No crack blocks.
Everything else we should be able to clean it out really good, put all new bearings, and
it's gonna be a full teardown.
Yeah, this is gonna be a full rebuild.
But that's how you get the most bang for your buck. So currently, Michael has an 81 Squarebody, and what's in it?
It's got a 350, just a mild cam, and I'm looking to more than double my horsepower. So.
And what message do you have for all the old timers who are gonna talk smack?
For everybody that's already commented on my previous berry video, number one, thank you. Number two, if you commented, don't ruin it with the LS. Go ahead and hit subscribe and then turn your head away because it's already happening. So buckle up, get ready for some numbers that you horsepower boys want to see. This is going to be a cool engine build for more of you guys that are into power. Stand by.
Yeah, so if you haven't been hanging around with us long a time, we are very much opposite. So my Apache is more like a pawpaw truck. And
it's still LS paw. It's got a 5.3.
Yeah, but
that's too slow for your boy here.
Yeah, he's more into the make it go fast and loud. So anyway,
I want to hurt some people's feelings.
We're gonna go take a look at this motor,
just like Josh's truck does,
and we're gonna see if it's gonna work out. So let's go check it out.
See if it turns over. It rolls over pretty good. I do feel compression, so that's really good too. And I can hear it.
So far, so good.
Yep.
All right, going in with the bore scope.
Checking the piston, making sure I don't see nothing weird or moisture. Looks really dry. Now we're waiting on the guy to get the next one off.
So you're gonna check every single.
Yeah.
We're gonna check everyone.
It's something electrical killing it from getting.
And that one's pretty close, but I don't see any moisture or anything.
Exactly. That's what's wrong.
That's pretty good.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
right, gang, we're loaded
I
down.
do like all the tie downs.
She's coming home with us. You guys, when you see this motor, when it's all said and done, you won't even recognize it. It's gonna be screaming.
Screaming demon. I've got some things in the works for y'all.
Go big orange.
It's gonna be big orange.
Big orange.
Welcome here to 6.0 Corner. I'll be your host, Michael, and we're going to be going to Gapplebee's this evening to make sure they've still got that Gapple sauce from 2005. As you can see here, boys and girls, this is a 6.0 in the wild. Coveted in the car community. 6.2 is great as well, but 6.0 for you boys that want to and go. This is it. I actually stole this for $300, and I don't mean just the block. I'm talking intake, the whole deal. As you can see, I've already got the bottom half pulled apart, cranks out, heads are at the machine shop. I stole it. That boy thought it was something wrong with it. Didn't have any oil pressure. Probably a sensor, because the cylinder walls look great. There's cross thatching in there. So we're in the process of improving the Middle Tennessee area and car community. I'm going to take care of a lot of the tuners around here. We're going to be cleaning the streets up. So I'm just trying to get back to the community.
That's right, guys. We are LS swapping berries. So if you want to see it, make sure you stick around, because as soon as this red Apache gets done, it is berry
It's
time.
horsepower time.
Horses got to run. Ponies got to run.
Too many horses, not enough room to run.
Oh, baby. Let's do it. Thank you guys for tuning in. This was Bay Approved Rides. We'll catch you next time.